Welcome back to Cook with Ms. Zhang. Today, we're making a beautiful, vibrant, and incredibly satisfying stir-fry broccoli, bell pepper, and tofu stir fry. Just look at those colors. The rich green of broccoli, the bright red bell pepper, and golden crispy tofu. It's a dish that's as gorgeous as it is delicious, packed with plant-based protein. Let's jump right in and prep our veggies. We'll start with 2 cloves of garlic. Finely mince them and set aside. Next, grab 1 medium-sized red bell pepper. Slice it lengthwise into thin strips, not too thin, just enough to give a nice bite. Now take 1 medium head of broccoli. Cut off the florets and break them down into bite-sized pieces. We're using firm or extra firm tofu. Make sure to press out the moisture with a clean towel or paper towel. Then cut the block into 4 equal rectangles. Now here's where it gets fun. Cut each piece diagonally to make thick triangles. Then slice those triangles again to create thinner ones. These smaller pieces give more surface area, which means more crispy edges. Here's a great tip to get that irresistible crispy coating. Use a slotted spoon or fine mesh strainer to lightly dust cornstarch over the tofu triangles. Just a thin, even layer on both sides. This step helps create that golden crust we all love without deep frying. Alright, time to cook. Once it's hot, add a splash of neutral oil something with a high smoke point like avocado or vegetable oil. Start by tossing in your sliced bell peppers. Then the broccoli, let them sear until they blister slightly, just 1 to 2 minutes. They should stay crisp and vibrant, not soggy. Remove them from the pan and set aside. We want to preserve that crunch and color. Now, carefully place the coated tofu triangles into the hot pan. Use chopsticks or tongs to gently lay them flat so each piece has full contact with the pan. Let them cook undisturbed for about 3 to 4 minutes on the first side. You'll know they're ready when they release easily and have a gorgeous golden crust. Flip them and cook the other side for another 3 to 4 minutes. Take your time here, this is where the magic happens. Add 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce directly into the pan. Let the tofu soak up that rich, umami-packed flavor. This is when it becomes truly irresistible. Now return the cooked veggies to the pan. Give everything a gentle but thorough toss, making sure the sauce coats all the ingredients. And there you have it, a beautiful, colorful tofu stir fry that's fast, fresh, and packed with flavor. Perfect for lunch or dinner, served on its own or over rice or noodles. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe. See you next time.